Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make that amazing PowerPoint template. So let's start, but first be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos and stuff like this. So let's start. Go to Insert tab and insert your image that you want to use in the background. For example, I'm going to use this image. Now go to shapes and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Remove its outline and you're going to go to insert tab and insert this rounded cornered rectangle. You're going to make it fully rounded and let's change its color to white and move it upwards. Now let's decrease its width and we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Let's increase the size of the duplicated shape and we're going to duplicate it about no, 5 times. So let's select all of them and move them onto the left side. Now what we're going to do, select all of them and move them onto the edge of the template that there is no gap between the rectangle and the shape. Let's adjust their sizes into these like stairway. We're gonna select the rectangle and the shapes and go to merge and subtract them. Now let's select the rectangle and change its color. I'm gonna use this orange color and let's go to more colors and I'm gonna just decrease its color and make it more lighter so this looks perfect. Go to insert tab and insert a text box. And in it, what you're gonna do is insert your text, increase its size, change its font, and there you go. Let's change its color to white, and let's make it look like this. Move it upwards, and adjust its size. Move it downwards. Go to Insert tab and insert another text box. Let's add our subtitle. Let's change its font. Let's make it loose. Select it and change its color to white. Increase its size and adjust it. So that was all you had to do. Now add your body text and you're gonna decrease its size, change its color to white, and move it below the subtitle. And let's adjust it and align it. Now duplicate it. You're gonna place your more body text. You're gonna decrease its size, adjust it, and duplicate it again. Now select the subtitle and body and title and move it upwards. Do the same for the other content text. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, and insert a circle before the body text. You're going to remove its outline and change its color to some color that matches the template and the picture's color. I'm going to use this dark orange and let's duplicate it and place the other one in the front of the body content. And this is how it looks. Go to Insert tab and icons. And from here, I'm going to choose two suitable icons that I'm gonna place them into the circle. So let me just choose some of the perfect icons and I have inserted them. Decrease their size, move them onto the circle and change their fill to white. Now what you're gonna do is move each of them into each of the circle, but you're gonna place it into the middle and the center of the circle. So I have adjusted all of the stuff. Now the next thing you're gonna do is change the color of the title and make it somewhat darker. So I'm gonna use this. Let's move the rectangle downwards and go to animation, select the picture and select the lines animation. And you're gonna give it a position of right. You're gonna move this rectangle back onto the template. This is a preview of how it looks. Now you're gonna click on with previous and increase its timing to 5. Go to animation pen and effects and you're gonna increase it to 5 seconds. Now let's select the rectangle, move it downwards, and select the picture and increase its size. Now let's move the rectangle back onto the template, and this is the preview of how our template looks. Now the next thing we're gonna do is select the text and give it animations. Go to animation panel and give it the animation of fly in. Go to animation pan and give the same settings as the picture you had done, and you're gonna give all these like animations, and let's adjust the timing of these animations, their entrance and their exit. Their like ending is going to overlap, but their starting is going to be a little bit like less than the first animation. So let me just decrease it somewhat like by 1 second. And for the third one, we're gonna do the same. And we're gonna move it onto the 5 seconds. That it ends on 5 seconds. So this is a preview of how our animation looks. Again, go to animation panel and you're gonna move the animation like these animation timing stops, and you're gonna adjust them that they move smoothly along with the picture. There you go, and let me just decrease the timing for this text and the header and the content. So this is another preview. So now we're gonna like select this body content text. We're gonna give it the same animation using animation painter, and there you go. Select animation painter and select the like which of the content you want to give the same animation, and we're gonna select that shape. Now what you're gonna do is select the circle and each of the icon and press Ctrl G to group them because I want them to come in the slide at the same time. So let's like select the first shape and icon. I'm gonna press Ctrl G to group them. And I'm gonna do the same for the second circle and the icon. And there you go. Let's just use animation painter to give the shapes the same animation as well. So this is how it looks. Now let's go to animation panel and like let me just adjust these settings. This is the preview. So I want the circles to come into the slide later after all the text has come onto the slide. So let me just move the timing to like decrease their timing that on which they start. So that was all you had to do, and that was all you had to do in this video. So this is the final result, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment down. You can get this template for free from the link in the description, and of course, it's completely for free.